Hi, I'm Matt Kale, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm here today to show you how to throw a Halloween party for your kids. It's good to have several games or other activities for your party. There are a couple of general standby games you can go with, just a few of which I'll describe. There are a lot more available that you can either find online or in other party books. One is a game where you take a string and put it across, and you basically put marshmallows through the string. You have marshmallows attached to the string. You push the string through, just attaching the head of the string with a needle or a pin will do this. You string it across, you have somebody hold a can or a container of chocolate syrup, and somebody else lies below. You're going to need plasticing on the floor to do this. The one person tilts over the can of chocolate syrup, trying to hit the marshmallow as much as possible, and anything that drips off the marshmallow is supposed to try to go in the person's mouth. Again, you don't want to play this game too much. You're going to have some sick children on your hand, but it can be fun. Other things you can do, you can use storytelling in the dark, which is where you turn off the light. You might have somebody telling a story with a flashlight and passing around various items, which are supposed to be things in the story. Lots of times fruit, cooked pasta, or even meat, so you got to wash your hands. Make for some creepy things where somebody is supposed to say, like, these are her such and such organs, and it's a pair of some liverwurst or something like that. That's a fun activity. Another one is called Reach In, where you might have a pumpkin or other hollow object where you can reach into it and you're supposed to feel and try to guess something that's in there, and at the end of the night that's revealed. These are all a bunch of games that you can play, and they really don't take too much effort or research. You just always have to keep cleanup in mind.